Yes, student, let's check some more presentation of molecules and ions. Like first one, if we have to present a molecule, that is ions to anions. So as the rules we have discussed in earlier video, directly I am writing carbon number of valence electron is what? 4 plus total number of oxygen is how many? 3 atoms, and each one have valence electron what? 6 plus there is sign of 2 anion. Sign of 2 anion means 2 electron is gained, therefore these 2 electron is also added. So total number of valence electron will become what? 4 plus 2, 6 electron, and 3 6 are 18. So 18 plus 6 is equal to 24 electrons. Okay, 24 number of electrons. Now pairs of electron. Second one is pairs of electrons. So 24 divided by 2 is equal to 12 pairs. Isn't it? That is, it consists total number of 12 pairs. Now what? Third one is skeletal structure. So skeletal structure is drawn assuming that the less electronegative will occupy center position and the more electronegative will present in surrounding. Are you getting? So the carbon will occupy center position while the oxygen, which is more electronegative, will occupy the center surrounding positions. Okay, this is third number. Now what to do? We have to put one pair of electron between center atom and all surrounding atoms. Remember, there will be no pair between surrounding, only the pair between center and surrounding. So there are 3 center and surrounding atoms. So what we have to do? One pair of electron. So now place one pair of electron, one pair, 2 pairs and 3 pairs. Isn't it? Now how many pairs of electron remains? 9 pair of electrons remain. So what to do? We have to complete octet of each and every species. Getting? So now by placing the pair of electron. So now student, oxygen, there must be 8 electrons, but there is only how many electrons? One pair of electron means 2 electrons. So how many pairs require? 3 pairs require. Say 1, 2 and 3. Okay, similarly here what? 1, 2 and 3. Similarly here what? 1, 2 and 2 pairs. But remember, the carbon, its octet is incomplete. So what to do if its octet is incomplete? We have to make what? One pair of electron to the carbon. Now there is what? Carbon and oxygen also require one pair of electrons. So 3 3 is 6 and 4 10 11 12 13. That means total 3 3 is 6 6 and 2 what? 8 9 10 11. Now how many remains? One pair more remains. So what to do? Multiple any of the bond. So if we multiple any of the bond, then in this way the carbon and oxygen will also have one pair of electron. So now we have to multiple any of the center and surrounding atoms so that octet of the both species gets completed. Here now octet of carbon is also completed and the oxygen is also completed. So in this way we can draw its structure. Okay, suppose we have to draw the structure of NO3 anion. Okay, now again, first one what? Count total number of electrons. So nitrogen have 5. Now total number of oxygen is what? 3. Its valence electron is what? 6 plus 1 electron due to anion is equal to, now 3 6 is 18 plus 5 23 plus 1 24 electron. Getting? Now pairs of electron is what? 24 divided by 2 is equal to again what? 12 pairs. So we have to draw 12 pairs of electron. Now, one of the atom will occupy center position. So, which one is less electronegative? Nitrogen as compared to oxygen. Now, there are what? 3 oxygen atom. Yes, there are 3 oxygen atom. One pair between center and surrounding. So, 3 pair is drawn. Now, the octet of nitrogen is completed? Not completed. How? Because there is only how many electrons? 6 electrons. So, we have to multiply any of the bond, that is one of the center and surrounding. So, if we draw one more pair of electron, now the octet of nitrogen is completed. Isn't it? Here nitrogen is completed. Okay. Now what to do? Now next one, complete the octet of each and every oxygen by placing the dot. So here 2 electrons means 1 pair. So require 3 more pairs. So 1, 2 and 3. Again it requires 3 more pairs. 1, 2. It requires only 2 because already 4 electrons are there. Now it requires 3 pairs. So 1, 2 and 3 pairs. Now look at octet of each and every species is completed. 12 number of pairs are already drawn. How it is? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 12 number of pairs are drawn. This has become what? NO3 anion. You can write here CO3 2 anion. So in this way we can draw the structure. Like if we need to draw the structure of H2SO4, then how do we draw? So first write valence electron. So valence electron, hydrogen atoms are how many? 2. So 2 into each one consists how many electron? 1 electron. Plus now sulfur, its valence electron is how many? 6. Plus now oxygen, how many atoms are there? 4. And each consists how many electrons? 6. Getting? So now take the sum of it. It will become 2 1 ja 2 plus 6 8 and 4 6 ja 24. So 8 and 24 is equal to how many electrons? 32 electrons. Getting? Now pairs of electrons will be what? So 32 divided by 2 is equal to 16 pairs. Now skeletal structure. This is what? Skeletal structure. The center atom, one which is less electronegative. So this is what? Sulfur. And in surrounding there will be 4 oxygen atom. 1, 2, 3 and 4. And always remember, hydrogen can never come in center or middle position because its valency is 1. Therefore, always you draw it in any of the end, that is any of the terminal, to which it can show only 1 valency. Now what to do? Start placing very first what? 1 pair of electron between center and surrounding. Okay, but now oxygen and hydrogen is terminal. This hydrogen is terminal, so again place 1 electron. So how many pairs are drawn? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pairs. Now remaining how many pairs? So 6 pairs is drawn, so 10 pairs remain. Okay, so how to draw 10 pairs? Now look at octet of sulfur is completed. Yes, 2, 4, 6 and 8. But oxygen octet is not completed. So 2 and 2 are 4. So it requires how many? 2 pairs. This is 2 pairs. This oxygen require again 2 pairs. So 2 2 are 4 pairs are drawn. Okay, now sulfur only 1 pair is there. 3 more pairs required. That is 2 4 are 8. So 1, 2 and 3. Similarly 1, 2 and 3. Now check whether the pairs are completed. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16. So this becomes structure of H2SO4. That's it.